How's you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. So let's me start with quick introduction. I'm Shelly, your new computer teacher. Welcome to you all in an online class of computers. I hope you enjoy the session. So today's our topic is computer language. I will explain you with the help of slides. Okay students, let's begin with very first chapter, computer language. First of all, I am going to divide into two individual words. What is computer and what do you mean by language? Okay, you all might have studied of previous classes what is computer. Can you define computers? What does it stand for? So, a computer stands for commonly operated machine purposely used for technical and educational research. We can also say it is an electronic device which takes some input, process it and then gives us some meaningful information, and that meaningful information is known as output. So it is a machine which take input and give us some output. Okay students, now next is language. So what is language? We daily speak a language, maybe English or Hindi. So can we say it is means of communication by which we can interact with each other? Just like we can talk to a friend, we can talk to our teachers. For two or more people to communicate, they need to use a language, and that should be a common language. For example, if your friend is speaking in Punjabi and you are talking in English, will you able to understand each other? No. So we need a common language so that we can understand each other. See the another example. If one person speak in Hindi, other person speak in English, both of them can't understand each other language. So how they will communicate? They both person need a translator who can translate both of them languages. So first of all, tell me, why do we need a computer language? Because computer is just a machine. Can computer work on its own? Answer is no. So in order to make it on, we as a user has to give instruction to the computers. We have to give instruction either using the keyboard or using the mouse. So either way we are communicating, try to communicate with the computer. So we need a language which computer can understand. You know students, a computer does not understand Hindi, English or Punjabi language. Computer understand only one language, and that language is called machine language. The language made up of zeros and one is known as machine language or binary language, where 0 means off and 1 means off. So before proceeding, I would like you to know what is program. A program can be defined a set of instruction written to perform a task. For example, Microsoft Word, so it is a word processing application, allow us to create and write documents. We have more example like a spreadsheet program or PowerPoint presentation. And you know students, a person who write the programs or programming is called programmer or coder. So students, next and very important concept is what is programming language. In the previous slide, we studied what is a program. So program are required for computer to do some work. We have to give instruction to the computer through the help of programs. So in order to write or develop program, we need a programming language. For example, if I say write a short essay or write a notice in English, you will be using English language, right? So if you want to write program in computer, then we need a different language that is known as programming language. We all know that English is a natural language. It has their own grammars, words, symbols, and rights. So, programming language has words, symbols, or some rules, and the rules of programming language are called syntax. So, rule of English is known as grammar, rule of Hindi is known as Vyakran, and the rules of programming language will be known as syntax. Okay, so here we can see that a computer language has so many types. We can divide or categorize them in a different generation of language. The generation are divided into 5. First generation is called as machine language. Second generation is called as assembly language. Third generation is called as high level language. Fourth generation is called as object oriented programming language. Fifth generation is known as artificial intelligence. Yes, students, in today's session we covered some topics like what is computer language, what is computer, what is language, and what is programming language, so many things. In the next session we will cover the types of programming language. So till now, keep smiling, enjoy your study, do study. Thank you.